Be a quick review of ratios. I know all you guys had ratios last year, so this is just a little bit of reminder. A ratio is a comparison of two numbers by division. It can be written in three ways. We can write it as a fraction. So if we're comparing the number of boys to the number of girls, we can write it as boys to girls. You can use the colon. The first number is a number that would be your numerator. The second number here would be the number that would be your denominator. It's important that you remember that the order does matter. And here, if we have boys to girls, we can do 9 to 12. Again, numerator is the first number, denominator is the second number. Keep in mind when you're simplifying a ratio and you're comparing measurements, be sure the measurements are in the same unit of measure, unless we're talking about a scale problem. Equivalent ratios are the same as equivalent fractions. You're going to multiply or divide the numerator and denominator by the same number. They're cross products, so when you do your you should get the same number. Remember how we used that when we compared fractions. When you simplify ratios, it's just like simplifying a fraction. So find the greatest common factor, divide both by the GCF, and write the resulting fraction. What you need to know is we don't want to have any mixed numbers. So leave it as an improper fraction in simplest form. So if you have 6 to 4, you can simplify that down to 3 to 2 because we can divide both of these by 2. But this is as good as it gets. Don't change it to a mixed number. 9 to 12, the GCF is 3, so we divide 9 by 3 and 12 by 3, and we get 3/4, just like you do with fractions. So I have some problems down here that I want you to try. These ones are a little tricky down here, so make sure you understand that that fraction bar also means division. So we could rewrite this as 3/2 over 21/5 and think of that as a division bar and see how you do with that. Divide. So that's the only helpful hit I'm going to give you. So please do those 6 problems before you come to class next time.